Hey y'all, DIY 96-degree dad coming today to talk to you about hot tubs. Makes sense. I mean, it's hot as balls out here and I'm fixing hot tubs, and I'm gonna tell you about a little jerry rigging today that I did that worked out good. And the reason why I'm making this video is, one, I fixed the hot tub. I'll show you that in a second. But two, all the videos I could find out there were not from my series of hot tub. And I'm gonna show you how I bypassed the issue and what I had going on. Basically, I had a flow switch issue, which is very common for all hot tub brands. I have a Jacuzzi j470 brand hot tub, but I'm gonna show you what I did and how I fixed that. Super simple, you can do it yourself. Okay, so that's the j400 right there. Actually, it's a 470, but all the 400 series look the same. All right, that's a Jacuzzi brand. Sundance is similar. But here we go. This is what a flow switch looks like in these bad boys, all right? And this is a piece of PVC. You see that switch that sits down through there? This is the flow switch that I actually took out. I was getting a flow switch error, so the whole machine will shut down. If it doesn't obviously think that water's flowing through it, you know, the smart brains will say, shut down, so it won't heat up, won't do all this other kind of stuff. So the flow switches go bad. That's a common thing, and they're super easy to fix. The only videos I could find on YouTube were for different models, the 300 series, a lot of different. I could not find anything for a 400 series Jacuzzi or Sundance ones that look like this too. So, but I'm gonna show you what it looked like and how I did it. So I first did all the troubleshooting. I took the filters out, drained the tub, put the hose in there, filled it back up. You'll see that. I took this and made sure there was no vapor lock on it on the side of the pump, loosened it up. None of that worked. The issue was I kept getting the same error message, and this flow switch sits right here, as you can see it. Boom. You can buy them on Amazon. You can spend a fortune at a Jacuzzi store for, like, I don't know, I think they were $100 and some odd. I spent $29 for this bad boy. Came with that PVC I showed you just a minute ago. But here's the trick. Here's your power board on the 400 series. You see these little two-prongers? You will have a hard time finding one that fits into a two-pronger. So what I did, most of these, look, I should have brought the original one down with me to show you. I wired it together. So I bought one on, because a flow switch is a flow switch, guys. Like, it just says, hey, I've got flow, or hey, I don't have flow. The issue is the two-prong. You can't, they charge you an arm and a leg for the stupid two-prong. Anyway, 29 bucks. Got this guy. It's two wires, a hot and a ground. Wired it together. Yeah, make fun of my duct tape, who cares? Or I mean, my black tape, who cares? It's sitting in here, it's enclosed, it's fine. It's a flow switch, right here. That's all I did. Screw this bad boy out, put some plumber's tape on it, screwed it back in, wired it up, got my two-pronger. Everybody's happy. $29. She's up and running. Jacuzzi, thank you Jacuzzi, wants to charge you, I don't know, $100 and some odd for that. So that's my lesson. Proofs in the pudding. Shazam. Can't really, there you go. She's working. Heating it back up, getting her going. Ta-da. So, for a Jacuzzi 400 series, that's what you're looking at. Flow switch sits in the top of this bad boy. You get the whole PVC thing. You don't need it. You can actually just buy the switch. It was cheaper for me on Amazon to get the whole assembly. I don't know why. It was. I didn't bring the old switch. Oh, I did. Down here, I'll show you a model number on it. This is, again, for a 400 series. The model number was Q-12DS, D as in dog, S as in Sam, -C2. That's what the bad boy looked like right there. Shazam. That's the bad one. All I did was cut the connector off, hardwired in, and I'm good to go for 29 American pesos. I can do it, you can do it. Jacuzzi hot tub is fixed.